Muskan and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make red lentil cream easily at home. This red lentil cream is made up of 100% natural ingredients and especially made to lighten and whiten your skin complexion and to remove all those pesky marks, dark spots, acne scars and uneven skin complexion. This cream is 100% effective in lightening and whitening your skin complexion and to make your skin more fairer, glowing, radiant and spotless. So to prepare this home remedy, we firstly gonna need red lentils, or it's also known as masoor dal in Hindi, and we just need to take 2 to 3 tablespoons red lentil or masoor dal in a clean bowl and then soak the dal in rose water, or you can also use the normal water to soak them, and you have to soak these red lentils for at least 3 to 4 hours, or you can even soak them overnight. And once the red lentils are completely soaked, they will look like this. And now you have to put the soaked dal along with its water into the blender or the grinder and then blend everything really nicely to make a smooth paste. And when the soaked red lentil are nicely grinded, they will look like this, and the consistency of this paste should be a little runny and should be smooth and lump free. And now we have to strain this red lentil paste and take out the fine creamy red lentil paste out of it. And to strain this mixture, you can use a strainer like I'm using here, or you can even use the cheesecloth to strain this mixture. After taking out the fine red lentil paste, now let's see how to prepare the red lentil cream easily at home. So to prepare this highly effective cream, you firstly have to take approx 3 tablespoons red lentil paste in a clean bowl. After that, you have to add 2 tablespoons glycerin in it. Then you have to add 1.5 teaspoons vitamin E oil in it. And if you don't have the vitamin E oil, then you can also use the olive oil, or you can also use 4 to 5 vitamin E capsules, which are easily available at any pharmacy store. And now after adding all these ingredients, you just need to give a good mix to all these ingredients and make a smooth and a lump-free paste. And after mixing all these ingredients, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And you just have to add 1 to 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel in it. And then again mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy, lump-free and a fluffy paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade skin whitening and lightening red lentil cream is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, which is neither so runny and nor so thick, and it should be smooth, lump free and so much creamy and fluffy like I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this homemade skin whitening and lightening red lentil cream. And to store this cream, you're gonna need an airtight container. Here I'm just transferring this cream in this small airtight container, and you can store it at room temperature for up to 10 to 15 days. This homemade red lentil cream is 100% natural and is also 100% effective in lightening and whitening your skin complexion because it contains all the natural ingredients which works really great in lightening and whitening your skin tone and to enhance your dull and dry skin. This red lentil cream will also help you in lightening your dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation and uneven skin complexion, and will also treat your sunburn, black spots and dry and flaky skin. And if you use this cream daily for a few days, then it will make your skin more fairer, glowing, radiant, spotless and crystal clear. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin. And then massage it in circular motions. Just gently massage it in circular motion for about 30 to 45 seconds. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight so that your skin completely absorbs this cream. And for best results, you have to use it daily, twice in a day for at least 15 to 20 days to get fair, glowing, radiant and highly moisturized skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.